Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today I will tell you about my dream destination. My dream destination is the Buenos Aires, which is the capital and the largest city of the Argentina. It was located on the west coast of the estuary of Rio de la Plata on the southeast coast of the South American continent. Much of the city's architecture is characterized by its electric nature and with elements resembling Barcelona, Paris and Madrid, even Italian and French influence. The tango music was born in the suburbs of the Buenos Aires. So next, let's take a look of the history of Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires was founded twice and a settlement at the present-day site was established briefly in 1536 by conquistador, which is the name is Pedro de Mendoza. This place has been attacked by the local indigenous groups and they also been forced by the settlers to move to Asunción, Paraguay in 1536. And by 1541, the site had been burned and abandoned. So, at 1580, another settlement was established and this one was lasted. So next, we go to the culture of the Argentina. Culture of Argentina, which varies widely across the different ethnic groups and the immigrants that settled there. It was largely influenced by Spanish, Italian and other European backgrounds. So first we go to their religion. Argentina to be majority is Roman Catholic. The Catholic holidays are observed on the national calendar and church can be found almost everywhere. Also this picture is the one of the example of the church that what we call the Cathedral of Paraná. So the next culture we go to their dress. The people dress are smart and in fashion for the season. Their fashion trends towards more traditional and two types of dress, which is gaucho or cowboy dress. So for the next culture is food and drink. The most famous food in their culture is asado or an array of BBQ meat, which is the staple of every Argentine diet. The next food is empanadas. This one is a popular snack in their region and throughout South America. As for the drink, they like a Malbecs and milk. So next, what I love about Buenos Aires is about their festival. So, they have top 3 most attractive festival. First is Buenos Aires Tango Festival. This festival will celebrate in every March. In this festival, we can see many Argentines will take place to dance tango. The second one is Buenos Aires International Independent Film Festival. This festival was special because they will celebrate only for 10 days. Cool, right? So for this festival, they will celebrate in May, and this festival was built to celebrate the indie film scene. And the last but not least is Buenos Aires Temporary Art Fair. This festival was about to celebrate in the land of May. In this festival, they celebrate to the extensive contemporary art scene in the capital. So next, this is the 5 interesting places that I want to go when I get to the Buenos Aires. The first one is Plaza de Mayo, the second is Casa Rosada, and the third is Recoleta Cemetery and Museums. For the fourth place is La Boca and the Caminito Street Museum, and the last place is Buenos Aires Cabildo. So for the first place that I want to go when I arrive at Buenos Aires is Plaza de Mayo. Plaza de Mayo is evident in the splendid old colonial buildings that we can find in Plaza de Mayo. For example, is the Buenos Aires Ballet Epoch. This building was established in the 16th century. There are 2 block-long plaza that has been staged from 1976 to 1983. This is the proof that we can see, this is old plaza that built from long time ago. And then for the second place is Casa Rosada. Casa Rosada was built in the mid-1800. This building is an official residence of the President of Argentina. This building also known as the Pink House. And then the third place is Recoleta Cemetery and Museum. This fashionable Recoleta take its name from the Franciscan convent that was built here in 1760. In here there are many place I want to visit is the La Boca and the Caminito Street Museum. This is the most favorite place to the hunter for artistic and creative types. There were so many art outside and the streets. If I get there, I can see the beautiful of decorating balconies and patios with amazing sculptures of tango dancers and other characters that made by their artists. For the last place is the Cullen Theatre. This building was opened in 1908. This is a world-class opera, ballet and also a classical music facility. At there, I can enjoy a performance and its sumptuous auditorium. Most of the place that I visit is the old building and the old place because I love to see heritage rather than a modern place. So next is transportation that I will use to reach Buenos Aires is an aeroplane, which is an Ethiopian Airlines from Kuala Lumpur to Buenos Aires. I will take the economy seat and it will take a cost around 3,565 ringgit, and then this travel have a 3 stop which is from Kuala Lumpur to Bangkok and then go to Addis Ababa, next straight to the Sao Paulo, and the last to my destination is the Buenos Aires. So when I reach there, of course I want to travel around the city, right? So there are many transportation that I can choose. So I made my decision that first transportation that I will use to travel is by a metro subway. The subway is the fastest and the cheapest way to travel in Buenos Aires. They have 6 lines connect commercial, tourist and residential areas in the city. They start in Monday through Saturday from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. and on Sunday and holidays are from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. The cost to take subway is starting from 1.10 pesos is about 47 Malaysian ringgit. 47 cents Malaysian ringgit. Next option, if I want to travel use a road transportation, I will travel by bus. The cost also same just like the subway. It is around 1.10 pesos, which is around 47 cents Malaysian ringgit. So next for accommodation, I will choose when I reach there is a hotel that called a Grand Bizo. The cost for 4 nights is around 1,275 ringgit, which is in Argentine pesos is 30,061. It is a 4-star hotel and they have many facilities there such as outdoor swimming pool, restaurant and many more. Next, for the currency, the Argentine unit of currency is the peso and the notes comes in the denominations of 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1,000 pesos. And for the 1 peso is around 100 centavos, which is a coins. They have 5 centavos, 10 centavos, 25 centavos and 50 centavos. So next, as usual, when we travel, we have to spend our money. So what I spend when I go to Buenos Aires? First thing first is food. It will cost 2,358 per day, which is in RM is 100 per day. Next is to buy a gift. It will cost around 11,826, which is in RM is 500. And the last is for the entertainment, and it will cost around 1,866, which is in RM is 78 and 87 ringgit. So next, if I go there rather than try their food, I also miss my local food, of course. So there are top 3 food that I will bring there. The first is instant noodles Maggi curry. This is one of my favorite food because this is the simple way to cook and to eat. So it makes me so easier to cook my food. So next is my spicy and curries. If I miss my mom food, I can eat this. So it can be able to logging for my mom foods. And the last is meat floss. Because I am a village boy, so I will miss the taste of village. If I bring this food with me, I can also be able to logging to my village food. So there are many food that I would like when I arrive there. So there are top 3 food that famous and the most highlighted that I would like to taste when I reach there. The first is asado and parillas. This is a traditional Argentinian barbecue. This was the national dish and also originating from country gauchos or cowboys. So I don't want to miss a taste for this food. Next is choripan, which is chorizo sandwich. Chorizo is a type of meat for this food, and this food is the most ultimate Argentinian food. So I also need to find a taste for this delicious food. And for the last is chimichurri sauce. It is a green salsa made of finely chopped parsley, oregano, onion, garlic, chili, pepper flakes, and many more herb ingredients. Thus, sauce is often to see and found blanketing grilled meat. So I don't want to miss the taste of the sauce too.